Dhunuchi Nach. Durga Puja evenings are incomplete if men and women from 8 to 80 don't take the floor to dance to the rhythmic beats of dhak, holding earthen pots billowing a fragrant smoke. The impromptu dance is called Dhunuchi Nach, a prominent custom and one of the most awaited activities during the evening Durga Aarti every day. This devotional dance is performed holding a dhunuchi, which contains the burning coconut husk with dhuno sprinkled on it. Dhuno, the Indian equivalent of frankincense, is a plant resin from sal tree, and dhunuchi is essentially an incense burner that holds the fire often considered pure and thus offered to the deities. Baul, one of the most ancient and traditional folk dance forms of West Bengal. The Baul or Bauls are a group of mystic minstrels or bards of mixed element of Sufism and Shahaja from Bengal region, comprising Bangladesh and the Indian states of West Bengal, Tripura, and Barak Valley of Assam. Baul dance forms a part of religious rites of Bauls. Baul songs are spiritual in theme, and while singing these songs, Bauls at one stage start dancing in ecstasy. Chou. Chou dance is a semi-classical Indian dance with martial, tribal, and folk traditions with origins in eastern India. It is found in three styles named after the location where they are performed, that is, the Purulia Chou of Bengal, the Seraikela Chou of Jharkhand, and the Mayurbhanj Chou of Orissa. The dance ranges from celebrating martial arts, acrobatics, and athletics performed in festive themes of a folk dance to a structured dance with religious themes found in Shaivism, Shaktism, and Vaishnavism. Robindranath and Shantiniketan. Tagore put his sole efforts to make his students learn the aspects of all the Indian classical and folk dances, and he appointed trained gurus in Shantiniketan. The hunger for cultural diversity in ashrama took him to the countries of global ends, and he crossed over the boundaries of a nation or a religion. The town is known for its literary and artistic heritage, with the notable figures being Rabindranath Tagore and Nandalal Bose. In addition, the Vishwabharati also serves as Shantiniketan's cultural center, which is also a renowned university catering to thousands of students amidst the natural setup of fresh air and greenery as dreamed by the great poet and laureate Rabindranath Tagore. Robindra Nitya. Robindra Nitya Natya is a group of four dance dramas composed by Bengal's Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore, Chitrangada, Chandalika, Shama, and Shrabon Gatha. Tagore also included dance in earlier works such as Tasher Desh, The Country of Cards, which are not included presently. Santhali. Santhali dance is a popular folk dance practiced by Santhal tribes in many parts of India, namely West Bengal. This dance form has attained popularity all across India and also has been featured in many reputed cinemas like Aguntuk by Satyajit Ray. This folk dance not only projects the culture or traditions of the local tribes but also showcases the strength of unity and their ways of glorifying the nature and offering prayers and often raising messages.